What is going on, everybody? Washington here, back with another video to review. And for this review, I'm going to be reviewing Moira Mactaggert. She's another figure that belongs to the Build-A-Figure Tri-Sentinel Wave, another Marvel Legends series by Hasbro. As you can see on the left side, she belongs to the Build-A-Figure Tri-Sentinel. And you see the Warner Bros. Warning of choking hazards. And you see the Marvel Legends series logo. And the very top of the X-Men logo right there. And the window box, you can see the figure exposed with accessories and the figure piece, something that we're going to see in a little bit. And on the bottom, you see the X-Men logo, and with the Krakoan letters, probably Moira's name. You can find online, see what it actually means. And you see the Hasbro logo on the corner there. The side of the box, you see the graphic picture, promotional picture from the character, Moira. And at the bottom, you see the House of X, Moira Mactaggert, and the X-Men logo. The other side of the box is exactly the same as the other one. The bottom of the box is just the licensing and barcode. And the back of the box, right there, you see a really good promotional picture of the character, and with other X-Men characters, maybe other mutants. And you see the Krakoan language on top, and you see the Marvel Legends series on the corner there. And you see a little biography right there, written in 7 different languages. If you guys want to pause and read it, feel free if you like. And going down, you see the list of all the 7 figures that belong to the Tri-Sentinel Build-A-Figure wave, starting from Wolverine to Cyclops, and 6 of them that have a Build-A-Figure piece. And down the bottom, you see the Marvel logo and Hasbro. So yeah, let's get her up and have a closer look at her. Okay, here we have the figure, and we can start off with a measurement tape. And Moira, she measures up exactly 6 inches, which turns out to be 15 centimeters. And this is Moira. And obviously, Moira, she comes with two different appearances. Obviously, with the lab coat, and she got the three pants, 2 blues and 1 black. And she's got those glasses right there. They seem like they're removable, but they're actually not. They're really attached to her. Plus, they're really put in there, and they're glued on between the head and then the hair. The hair is actually she got shorter hair, so she got a little more flexibility in the hair. So like a good thing uh that does not give us trouble with any of the articulations. And she's got the wearing lipstick, and like it looks like something that people notice is that the lipstick is not really lined up to her lips. They're just really painted in there. As you can see that. Yeah, that's one mistake that I just noticed there. And yeah, the lab coat, she's it's nice rubber plastic, some flexibility. And she's wearing a skirt, and this part's also rubber plastic. She's wearing heels, so I guess like without the heels, she'd probably be a little bit less than 6 inches. But yeah, and so yeah, nothing really on the back. There's not a lot to see or any details. But yeah, she's got the pocket right here molded in there. She got the buttons, and the lab coat is unzipped. And yeah. For accessories, obviously they were a little bit more generous with this one. They have given us 6 accessories in total, and plus counting the lab coat, which is also removable. I guess it counts as an accessory, which makes that 7 in total. One of the accessories is obviously the left leg of the Tri-Sentinel. You know, it's got that, hinge right there, double hinge actually. And it's got the swivel cuts where you can connect it to the other piece, the ankle pivot, and the hinge on the foot. Yeah. And we also got the 2 separate arms that you pop out and then remove the lab coat and then match her with the coat that she has underneath there. And she also got the alternate head, with the with a little bit more like her face more exposed without the glasses, and she's wearing a hat, and she's also wearing some earrings. That's another thing I noticed. The hair is a little bit more molded differently than the one that she has. As you can see that it's a little bit more wavy, and the one that she has on the head that she has on the hair is more flat, and this one right here is like more wavy. Yeah, and she's also got that lipstick that does not line up next to her lips. But yeah, she got her face more exposed, and she has like a happy expression or something like that. She got the eyes and the eyebrows nicely painted, really done, well job. She also got this scarf, to match her outfit, I guess. Just like wrap it around her neck and stuff. And she's got that tied up right there. And the last accessory, so it's obviously the science book with the symbol right there of what is that, atom? Yeah, with an atom with the X-Men logo right in the middle, that atom. And like most of you have probably taken physics, so you might know a little bit something about this atom thing. I mean, it's been a little bit more than 10 years since I've been to school, since I graduated high school, so yeah. And here's a little example how she would look, I mean, like you pop off the lab arms and you just place in the other ones, like peg them right in there. Just like Ellen Ripley from Aliens 3, how you take off the arm and then you remove the code. This one is exactly like that one. And yeah, and also you can also pop up the head and just to place in the scarf, or you can just pop the head off and then just like put in the one with the glasses. I mean, or just like remove the scarf and just leave her, with the glasses on or without the hat too, because like putting in the scarf and then the head, doesn't really look that well. Or like I don't know. I mean, the hat with the white scarf. I mean, it's really your choice how you wanna put her, but yeah, this is how she comes in the comics. So I guess we're going with that. And for articulations, obviously, her shoulders are on a ball joint. She got a good extension on the arms, really nice. She can obviously pop them right off really easily as well. And she also has that full rotation, full 360 on the elbows, the shoulders, I mean. And she's got that hinge right there on the ball peg. She can hinge up, but very limited due to the hair. And she had ranging looking down about this much. She can swivel full 360. And I'm going to remove this scarf. It's actually getting a little bit annoying, the scarf there. I'm not a scarf guy, but yeah. And she also got that bulge on the torso right there. She can rotate and swivel. It's really nice. She doesn't seem that she has a swivel in the waist, but at least she got on the upper torso here. And due because of the scarf, the same situation. She can only extend the right leg and the left leg not so much. And she doesn't have a lot of kicking range either. About this much. Maybe on the left one does. And she always got that cut right under the thighs, which can swivel as well. And she also got the hinges on the elbows and swivel as well. Swivel on the wrist, hinge as well. And she also has got that double hinge on the knees. She's got that ankle pivot, and she can hinge up and down. And she also got the peg holes and the stamp on the feet there. Here you have her next to her X-Men colleagues, figures that we have already reviewed that part of the Tri-Sentinel wave. For comparison size, here you see her with Amanda Nunes, a UFC champion, 7 inches, figure from Jazzware, and you see a 5-inch Darla from the Shazam character, a figure from Mattel. Here you see her with 2 other 6-inch Marvel Legend figures from Hasbro. Here you see her with 2 6.5-inch DBZ figures from Dragon Stars. From the McFarlane lines, here you see her with 2 Catwomans from the Batman movie. From the DC Multiverse, here you see her with a Wonder Woman from Dark Knight's Death Metal, a figure from McFarlane, and you see her with a 7-inch Harley Quinn from Mattel. From the Alien lines, here you see her with an Ellen Ripley 7 inches and a 7-inch Amanda Ripley, both figures from NECA. And of course, with a 9-inch AVP Predator and a 9-inch Xenomorph from NECA. So yeah, this was the review of Moira Mactaggert. What do you guys think of this figure? Would you add her to your collection of X-Men? If you guys have any more information about this character, please let me know in the comments. And obviously, you see her more in the comics, and when you read them, if you have more information, just let me know. And also, we're already down to 2 more accessories to complete the Tri-Sentinel. She came with the left leg of the Tri-Sentinel Build-A-Figure piece. We just need the heads and we just need a left arm. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to don't miss it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You've made it this far. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you next time.